So now let's work around with hats, and let's add in a hat for our character to wear. So for that, I can go on to the hat section, and there are different hats that you can choose from, as you can see right over here. So let me just go over here and choose, let's say for example, this type of a hat, which is a sun hat. And in the beginning, you can see that there's an error, but it's processing right over here, as you can see. And as it finishes processing, you can see that that no longer is the case, and you can see the hat right over here. You got like a full armor right over here as well. So if you want to give the character like a different kind of look as well, or you can go for a different kind of hat like this. And just like every hat, you can see that the processing is going on. It may seem like an error first, but it processes everything and arranges out everything, as you can see right over here. So just like any other object, so let me just select this sun hat right over here, and let us arrange this hat out. So just like any other object, what you can do is you can change the shape of it over here. So you can go over here, and then you can go on to the modifier size, arrange this out, and then just change this out right over here. So you can see that I can bring this hat up right over here, just like that. Okay, accidentally I chose out the nose. I'm just going to go around and change out the hat. So it's arranging out, as you can see, and I'm just going to pull this up right over here, as you can see, and that's how you arrange out a hat. Well, let's say I don't want the hat in this character, I just want to keep it as it is. So I can just click on the hat and then just delete the hat right over there. So that is how you can work around with hats inside of Adobe Fuse. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.